Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. In continuation to our last topic that we were discussing the variations from the Mendel's principle, we have discussed the incomplete dominance. We have studied the what we call as the complete dominance, yeah, co-dominance rather, and today we are going to discuss what we call as the multiple alleles. In Mendel's, what we have studied in Mendel's experiment, there what we have studied that for each character, for each gene, for each factor, there are two forms. There are two alleles. One of these forms, जो हमारे पास है, that is dominant, and another one is recessive. दैट इज अप टू द नॉलेज जो हमने मेंडल ने बताया कि फॉर ईच फैक्टर फॉर ईच व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज अ कैरेक्टर फॉर ईच फिनोटाइप वी हैव गॉट टू फॉर्म्स. One of that form that is called as the allele, one of the allele is dominant, that means it expresses itself, and another one is recessive, that it does not express itself, it remains hidden. But in the modern genetics, Batson has studied what we call as this multiple alleles. Multiple alleles में हमने क्या कहा कि that for each gene there are more than two forms. There are more than two forms. कि it is not necessary कि एक जीन के सिर्फ दो ही फॉर्म्स हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एक जीन के पास दो से भी ज्यादा फॉर्म्स, दो से भी ज्यादा अलील्स हो सकते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मल्टीपल अलील्स और मल्टीपल अलीलिज्म, कि हर एक जीन के लिए दो से ज्यादा फॉर्म्स हो सकते हैं. अब इसकी एक अच्छी खासी हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल है, दैट इज blood group in human beings, blood group ABO. Now we have got blood ABO. For this gene, we have got three alleles. This blood group, we have got three alleles. एक है IA, दूसरा है IB, तीसरा है IO. If this is the gene I, this gene I has got three forms, A, B and O. So this is a good example of this multiple alleles, that the blood group ABO, that it has got three alleles, that it has got more than two alleles, that now there is a variation in the Mendel's principle. Mendel's के पास हम देखें that we have got only two forms. There are three alleles, IA, IB and IO. Now this IA and IB, अगर हम इनकी बात करेंगे, दे आर डोमिनेंट अलील्स, एंड दिस IO की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, इट इज रिसेसिव. IA एंड IB, दे आर डोमिनेंट अलील्स, एंड दिस IO दैट इज रिसेसिव. और ये भी देखा गया है कि फॉर एवरी ब्लड ग्रुप देयर मस्ट बी at least two alleles. For every blood group there must be at least two alleles. एक ही अलील नहीं होने चाहिए, लेकिन कितने अलील होने चाहिए? दो अलील. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास एक सिचुएशन ऐसे भी बन जाएगी कि that we must have got three out of the three alleles जो हमारे पास है. एक है IA, दूसरी है IB, तीसरी हमारे पास है IO. दैट वी मस्ट हैव गॉट एट लीस्ट, हर एक ब्लड ग्रुप में हमारे पास एट लीस्ट टू एलील्स इसमें होने चाहिए. देन द सिचुएशन जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट होगी, इट मे बी IA IO फर्स्ट if the alleles. Second situation, it may be IA. थर्ड सिचुएशन हमारे पास हो सकती है IBIO. फोर्थ सिचुएशन हमारे पास IB. फिफ्थ पोजीशन IAIB. सिक्स्थ पोजीशन हमारे पास IO. So for every blood group we must have got at least आउट ऑफ दीज 3 alleles उसमें कितने एलील होने चाहिए? 2 एलील. Now, what will be this blood group? Since A is dominant, this is a recessive. It may be person have got blood group A. यहाँ पर दोनों A हैं, blood group हमारे पास होगा A. यहाँ पर B डोमिनेंट है, O रिसेसिव है, blood group will be B. यहाँ पर दोनों B हैं, blood group will be B. यहाँ पर A भी डोमिनेंट है, B भी डोमिनेंट, then it will be AB. अब यहाँ पर दोनों रिसेसिव, it will be blood group O. Now see, यहाँ पर alleles they are different, it will be heterozygous. See this IAIA, it may be homozygous. IBIO, it is heterozygous. IBIB, it will be homozygous. IAIB, it is what we call as heterozygous, and it will be homozygous. Now, what we will study, जब हम इस केस स्टडी देखेंगे, we have got, what we will see, we have got 3 alleles. 3 alleles. अब phenotypes हमारे पास कितने हैं? phenotype, that means the external appearance. This is blood group A, this is blood group A हो गया 1. This is blood group B, blood group हो गए 2, हो गए 3, हो गए 4. So we have got 4. Now जीनोटाइप अगर हम देखेंगे, जो जीनेटिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है हमारे पास, जीनोटाइप्स यहाँ पर 1, 2, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक है IA, दूसरा है IO, यहाँ पर दोनों I है, that we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the human blood groups, what we will see, phenotypes हमारे पास 4 है, that is we have got 4 blood groups, blood group A, blood group B, A, B, O. We have got 3 alleles, we have got genotype 6. Now what we will see, this gene, what we will see, how it becomes dominant, or how, what we will see, if this is the RBC, the antigen A, if this is the RBC, जो antigen, this for example this IA gene, it forms the antigen A on the surface of this blood group. Yeah, we have got one more, IB. This IB allele, it forms antigen B on this surface of this RBC. For this A, we have got antibody small b. Why we have not capital B? Because it will be the capital B, then they will mix up. So guys, mix up जो है वो नहीं होना चाहिए. और यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो एंटीबॉडी होगी, it will be small a. Antibody. These are written in small alphabets. This is the antigen, and this too is the antigen. So this IA allele, it forms the A on this RBC, and it has got antibody B written in small b, and this IB, it forms the antigen because they form some sugars, some proteins, antigen B, and it has got what we call as this antibody A. It has got antibody A. Now we will study some crosses. What will be the, ये जानने के लिए ब्लड ग्रुप के, इफ वी हैव गॉट द पेरेंट, फादर का पेरेंट ब्लड ग्रुप, अगर हम देखेंगे फादर जो है, फादर उसका ब्लड ग्रुप ए है, एंड इट इज क्रॉस्ड विद द मदर, उसका ब्लड ग्रुप बी है. सो होमोजाइगस तभी ये होगा व्हेन दैट इज स्पेसिफाइड, जब हमको वो पता होगा, जब हमको वो लिखा होगा, वरना हमको ये सिंपल हेटेरोजाइगस लिखना है, IAIO, इस तरह। हाँ, जब हम इसमें देखेंगे इट विल बी अगेन हेटेरोजाइगस, इट विल बी नॉट द होमोजाइगस, देन इट विल बी IBIO। ड्रॉ द पुनीत स्क्वायर। मेल, दिस इज द फीमेल। अब हम मेल की जो एंटीजेन्स लिखेंगे, दीज एलील्स, IAIO, राइट दिस IBIO। चलो क्रॉस कर लो, व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? इट विल बी IAIB, it will be IBIO, it will be IOIO, sorry, IAIO, and it will be IOIO. Now IAIB, it will be blood group AB, IBIO क्योंकि B डोमिनेंट है, it will be blood group B, IAIO क्योंकि A डोमिनेंट है, it will be blood group A, IO, it will be blood group O. So when we have got the father have got blood group A and the mother has got blood group B. Now यहाँ पर हमको स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया गया है, so we write here it is the heterozygous. स्पेसिफाई जब हमको किया होगा then that may be homozygous, वरना हमको सिर्फ लिखना है it is the heterozygous. So phenotype जो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे कि there is the 25% of each blood group chances. It may be AB 25%, B 25%, A 25%, and O 25%. Now sequence change. We will make another cross if they are homozygous. If they are homozygous, ये भी homozygous है, ये भी homozygous है। Draw the Punnett square. Male, this is the female. चलो, it will be IA, it will be IB, it will be IB. Now do the cross. IAIB, 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 again IAIB. Now what will be this blood group? This will be blood group AB, this will be blood group AB, this will be blood group AB, this will be blood group AB. Since जो यहाँ पर हमारे पास phenotypic ratio जो होगा, that all of them they will be 100%. सेम है यहाँ पर वो 25% वाला मामला नहीं है, they are all 100%. So what we have discussed this multiple allele is that it is the condition when a gene it has got more than 2 forms, and we have given the example of simply this blood group ABO, and we have discussed the different cross, and we have discussed what type of, वहां पर हम देखा कि it has got 3 alleles, out of 3 alleles 2 are dominant, that is A and B, and O is recessive. Then from that we have drawn the different blood groups, वहां पर हमने phenotype देखा था, we have got 4 phenotypes, genotype 6 है, and alleles there are 3. Then we have made some crosses also, that in the first cross we find when the father and mother are, father is A but is a heterozygous, and B, mother it has got blood group B, that too is the heterozygous. Then जो हमारे पास this ratio जो हम वहां पर देखते हैं कि परसेंटेज कितनी होगी, that is 25% of each blood group. When the father is the homozygous blood group A and the mother is homozygous blood group B, we will find that all of them there is 100%, and each blood group is of AB type. This was all about today, this multiple alleles. We will continue this genetics. Until then, goodbye, stay blessed, thanks.